How do you install apps on Galaxy S25? So hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can install apps on Galaxy S25 series or even the older devices, because the process is just pretty much the same. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Installing apps on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra is a fairly simple process. What you have to do for this is you have to simply go ahead, and then first of all, there are two ways to install it. One is that you can use the Galaxy Store, which is Samsung's own Play Store, right? So unlike Google Play Store, this is a different section. Here you can go to apps, you can search for an app that you wish to download, then tap on the install button from the bottom. Other way to do it is to simply launch your Google Play Store, log into your Google account, then search for the app that you wish to download, any app or game. Then there you can see the install button, which you can simply choose to tap on and make sure to install it. And this way you'll be able to install apps on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. And I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.